Hello, I am motorist. I would like to show you today this British-made Squire Defiant Insurance padlock. See, it works. It's interesting. It's a lever lock, but as you can see, when you open it, the shackle jumps a bit, and to close it you need to push it down, and it can be closed. Apparently this is to make sure that you really lock the lock and you close it and don't lock it halfway or something. I'm not sure. It is in the middle of the lever pack there's an inverted lever with a spring that pushes the shackle. So I want to try to pick this thing using a nice tensioner by Nigbee, made by Nigbee, and I'm using my own picking wire. It has a very slight bend in it. I make these out of this. These are intended to open doors, I guess. Very cheap. You can buy sets of 4 on Amazon. Well, I simply cut off this bit and shape the tip the way I want it, the way I need it. I have a whole bunch of them in many sizes, and yeah, I use some washers to make a handle, and it works quite nicely. So let's see, this thing really needs quite a bit of tension. I tried to pick this in hand. I couldn't do it because it needs so much tension that my hand cramps, and yeah, just to get any of the levers to bind, man, you need to pull on that tensioner. So one is set now in the back, all the way in the back. Then there's this strange thing that throws the bolt that's in the middle. Well, I have in this lock there's 2 levers in front, then there's the inverted one that with the spring, and then there's 3 levers in the back. So seems like one here is binding and set. One is still moving freely. Each time when I move from the front to the back and vice versa, I have to make sure I don't get stuck on that strange lever in the center. I think we're there. No, not yet. It's interesting. This is a rated yellow belt, but probably because there are no false gates. I'm not sure. I think I have them all now. Feels like it. Yeah. Okay, so that's open. take the tools out. See if it still works. So, push the shackle a bit. Oh, I think the key, maybe I need to pick it closed, but I think the key should work. No? Okay, there we go. Okay, so once more. It works. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching.